Hey everyone, welcome to the Flippin' Hippos YouTube channel. I'm Star, and if you're new to reselling or new to eBay, or maybe you're an old hat, you just need a refresher, I do have available a playlist called Back to Basics that specifically walks you through step by step every phase of reselling, from just getting started all the way to shipping and handling returns. I know that a lot of folks had watched it back when I first created the videos for that playlist or that video series. That was back in 2019, I believe. Maybe even been 2018. We're going to screen share in a minute. We'll find out. It's a little bit older, but a lot of the information is absolutely still valid and still good. And since I have a lot of new subscribers and new members in our Facebook group, I thought this would be the time to just kind of let you guys know that that's available for you. And then I'm going to show you some tips, tools, and stuff that are available in our Facebook group that a lot of people I don't think are aware of, that come in handy when you're new, or you could be a veteran and you might need some of this information. You'll see what I mean in just a second. But first, let's look at the playlist. So if you're on our channel, along the top here, you would just click on playlists, and you're going to find the one that says Back to Basics. And you can either just hit play all, and it'll play them for you without stopping, all in order, or you can view playlists, and then you can just scroll through and look at the topics and see what you would like to watch or learn about. They are in descending order, so the first one is down here at the bottom. It's just the introduction to the playlist. And then, so you want to be a reseller, just talks about what it entails, what it means to be a reseller, and what it's going to take. There's a glossary of reselling terms, talks about platforms, where to source items, how many to list each day, an eBay store, and when you should get one or should you get one, cleaning and prepping for photos, how to take photos, the ABCs of listing, transferring photos from phone to the computer. It just goes on. So there's things here for everyone, all the way from getting started through returns and sales strategies, how to print a bulk scan sheet. So this is a really good resource if you're new to reselling, or if you need a refresher on any of these topics. You can just go to the playlist on our channel anytime and watch any of them. Now, if you're a member of our Facebook group, you will have access to certain files and photo albums that I've created to help you guys out when you're looking things up or need a little bit of information. If you're not a part of the Facebook group, I recommend joining. It's called Flippin' Hippos Reseller Pod. There's a link down below. You can join using that, or just search for it on Facebook. It is free to join. So once you're in the group, now this is on the desktop, so it's probably a little bit different on the phone, but you'll get the gist. Go over here to where it says More, hit the drop down, go to Media. I'm going to open it in a new tab. Once you're in Media, go along the top here where it says Photos, Videos, go to Albums. There is an entire album called Glassware Identification Help. So if you do sell glassware, you can look through these photos to see what type of glass you have, all kinds of information in these charts. And then over here, under helpful photos for listing, there's a plethora of information and photographs in here, you guys. Types of shoes, types of heels, guide to patterns, different coats, different blouses, handbags, more patterns, types of plaid. There's a standard U.S. apparel size chart based off of standard U.S. sizes here. Skirts, more purses, types of jeans, tops, more information on jeans and shoes, dress styles. It just goes on and on. There is a lot of information in these charts in here. And if you ever go in here and you don't see something you're looking for, but you need, you can always just let me know, and I will be more than happy to find another chart of information and photos and toss it into the album as part of the information that's in the group for everyone. Also, up here, when you hit the drop down, if you click on files, there's some information here for you guys. There's information on the wholesale and liquidation that I run with Casey and Keith. And there's a glossary of reselling terms here. And there's a reseller's toolbox. Now, I get messages all the time asking me, hey, how do I find that eyeball stuff for the plushies? Or what tape do you use? Or what polymailers or bubble mailers do you use? If you go to that, this will take you to this file, and it has all of the things that you've seen me talk about on YouTube, seen me post in the group, and you can use these links to purchase. They are affiliate links, so if you do use these links, we do make a small commission off of your purchase, but it's at no extra cost to you. So you'll pay the normal price. It will not affect you in any way, but then Amazon will give us a percentage of that sale as part of their affiliate program and being a partner with them. Additionally, we have this Amazon storefront, and this just is more affiliate links, but in a more familiar shopping setting. Rather than just that list of links, you can come into here and you can go in the reseller's toolbox, which is just a ton of products that you might need for photographs, listing, and prepping. There's a shipping section just for, items you may need for shipping. And then there is what we used for YouTube. I have those products in there. And then my personal favorite. I need to add some more stuff in here. I've ordered more stickers and markers lately. But if you're into the bullet journaling, these are all products that I've used in the past and I enjoyed. Things I've purchased or gifted to friends. So this is just a more familiar kind of like Amazon shopping setting rather than just looking at this whole list. But either way, if you would like to help support the channel and what we do here, you can use these affiliate links and help us make a small commission. And then don't forget about all of this information here in these albums. This is gold for resellers right here. And again, if you don't see something that you were looking for, absolutely tag me in a post in the Facebook group and let me know what you're looking for. Or if you already have a chart that you want to add, just tag me and let me know, and I can grab it from you and put it in here, or I can look for it if you don't have it, and I can put it in here for you guys. And then, of course, don't forget this playlist. It's probably one of the best playlists I've ever made. It covers so much information from beginning to end of becoming a reseller all the way through dealing with returns. If you guys have any more questions, comments, concerns, recommendations, or anything, feel free to reach out to me. You can leave a comment down below. You can tag me in a post in the Facebook group. You can email us at flippinhipposhelp@gmail.com. I do not recommend messaging me on Facebook or Instagram. I know I've said that in the past. I don't have notifications on for messages on either of those. And especially with Facebook, if you're not friends, they send the messages to a whole other section that I never even see. If you do want to tell me something in private, absolutely email flippinhipposhelp@gmail.com, or you can send me a private message on Instagram or Facebook, but then just tag me somewhere in our Facebook group or whatever and say, hey, Star, I sent you a private message, and then I know to go to look for it and I can get back to you. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up on the way out. Helps the channel a lot. And if you haven't already and you'd like to, please subscribe. Help us feed a hungry hippo. Until next time, guys, go be productive. Go learn what you need to learn to be the best reseller that you can be so that you can make money and be successful. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate you guys. Y'all are the best. Bye.